In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix MSVCP100 dll missing error on Windows 10, 8, also 7. So firstly, go to Control Panel. Now select Program and Features. Scroll down. Now uninstall this file. And also select this file and uninstall. Now copy the link in the description and paste any browser and download. Click on Save. After download, double click for setup. Click on Install Anyway. Check this box. Click on Install. Click on Finish. Now install this file. Check this box and click on Install. Click on Finish. Now restart your PC. So friends, by this simple method, you can fix MSVCP100 dll missing error on your Windows PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like this video, hit like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks again for watching this video.